Hello, this is Timothy, and today I want to show you this particular app that you can use to predict football match. And the name of this application is Football Prediction by Timothy. Here is load data. You load the data, it will analyze the data and give you the best team that you are going to play. And this is a disclaimer, please. I'm not supporting gambling, all right? So, but this is just something that somebody requested. I just want to do a video about it. Just go to football-data.co.uk. Go to history here. Now you go down. Here you see all the data. This is England football results, Scotland, Germany, Italy, Spain, and all of that. So let's say you want to go to England football. Come here, you see the Premier League, Champions League. This is season 2024-2025. This is the current season. You can also make use of the 2023-2024 data. These are, and we have a lot of data here. They have a lot of data here. As you can see, on to 1993, 1994. All right, let's say now we are looking for Premier League for this particular season. We click on here, automatically, here is it. And this software works only with a CSV, all right? And this is the site that you are going to go to get the data that you need. So when you get it, just go here, open the software, reset, load data, select, this is the data that we downloaded, and click here. All right, and let's just look at for over 1.5, analyze, it's there. So for the next match, you can see that Liverpool can even score up to 2.5 per each game. Top 5 teams scoring more than 1.5 goals per match. As you can see, win. And this says top 5 team with most home win. As you can see, have Brentford and all of that. So automatically, if these guys have game to play, maybe tomorrow or next, you can just check it out, and it might help you to do your. All right, thank you very much. This is Timothy. Share this video and follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube so that you will be the first to be notified anytime we upload new videos. All right, thank you very much. This is Timothy once again. Bye bye.